I come from a very traditional Gujarati family. Spent 4 years of my life at BITS doing engineering. So after campus, I was thinking of joining full-time with ITC. At the same time, I got an offer from Boston Consulting Group, right? I wanted to join BCG because I could explore more sectors before I marry one. So at BCG, I worked across spaces. I worked in co-finance, fintech, co-manufacturing, consumer, TMT, and out of all experiences, consumer stood out, right? And 8 months in the firm, I was confident that if I want to start up, this is the right time. And I was very confident consumer is the space I want to be in. I dropped out, went back to the market, spent 4 odd months with the ITC folks and on-ground sales team folks, with distributors, retailers, stockists, to form an opinion how Befikar should be chalked out, what should be a thesis, what kind of customers we should approach to, right? And that's how Befikar was born. The goal was very clear that I want to be a job creator rather than being a job seeker. Our goal was to give products which were highly indulgent. So products like nachos, peanuts, makhanas, which were extremely fast-moving, highly indulgent products with ethnic and exotic flavors like jalapeno, Indori masala, peri-peri kind of thing. We want to bring the same product along with better nutrition. And this is something we want to offer at the best price possible. So that's the overall vision of Befikar. If we can tap into this game of fortification, where you can give indulgence along with nutrition, you can cater to a wide spread of population. We used to do free sampling outside supermarkets. Whenever a customer used to come try a product, we used to take feedback from them. If they used to like a product, we used to push them to an outlet and see if they're buying it or not, right? So the feedback used to be very tangible, very accurate. As an extension to this, we started tying up with corporate offices in Mumbai and Pune. We started doing free sampling in the evening. If customer used to like a product, we used to sell it to them to see if they're actually genuinely buying it or not, or just giving a confirmation bias to the brand. And that is something that helped us shape our journey. We were very close to customer for the first 8-9 months. That helped us develop new products. Now, as a brand, since we have a stronger confidence around the product, on the customer, on the approach to market, we've started venturing into more channels. So we've started venturing into e-com, we've started venturing into modern retail, and these accounts have started picking up in sales. Right? So Befikar right now, we retail about 40 to 50 lakh packets every month. And that's something we've been doing purely organically, without any ad spends, without any offline spends around the market. And that's something we're very proud of. We've scaled from 0 to 40, 50 lakhs a month. And we've done it being bootstrapped so far. Our thesis earlier was to just focus on 1 or 2 cities, scale to a great extent, penetrate the market, build a playbook, and then replicate across other markets. COVID kind of changed our thesis because most of the tier 1 markets which we're focusing on were badly impacted. And that's why we spread out our operations. We started Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad markets. We started experimenting with tier 2 markets like Lucknow to diversify risk. That's something that helped us stabilize as a brand. We tied up with platforms like Big Basket, Amazon, Flipkart. We also tied up with marketplaces like Cred. And these contributions from online platforms increased 10x, 15x of what it used to be. Kotak has actually been one of the strongest pillars for banking for us in our journey. Earlier, we used to work with a state-owned bank. We had multiple challenges. Almost all challenges came to a standstill within a week when we moved to Kotak. One of the biggest services that we're leveraging is bulk payments, has eased out our payments of salaries, payments of vendors. It happens on a timely basis. Another thing, the UI UX of the platform is really good. Most of the team loves the UI UX. It's very intuitive when you're operating from the phone. So even when you're not in office, you can transfer payments, you can check on bank statements. And that's why we are very confident, like Kotak has a long way to go and they've done terrific as compared to multiple other banks we work with on a personal capacity, on a commercial capacity. Finance is the heart of any company. One thing with what we've learned is when you're less stressed about finances, when you're less stressed about capital and making the ends meet, you can really put your energy in starting new markets, starting new products, doing something different from what you're doing every day. If you can plan your expenses really well, you'll have a very smooth journey ahead.